Hello ladies and gentlemen, and an update video for the Mount and Blade Let's Play with Florist mod. Now, unfortunately, then again, those of you who have seen the update for the Crusader Kings 2 probably know what's going to be said here, but unfortunately we have lost the save game. I reinstalled my operating system, my games was installed on a different hard drive completely, which was not formatted, and everything's still there, but stupid games saving things in my documents. Also, there should be a video going up on my channel soon showing you how to make any game save its any game basically save to the cloud, save to your Google Drive by creating a hard link. But just in case I forget to put that up, shout at me please. But with Crusader Kings, I gave you guys two options. I'm not too sure what the option should be for the Florist mod, so I'm not going to do this as like a vote, which I did for Crusader Kings 2. I sort of want you guys to post in the comments. Now, we could start the game again, and just start from scratch. I think that's basically going to be one option. I could maybe start the game again and models, well not mod, but basically cheat to try and bring us back to the level. Like similar skills and stuff like that to try and kickstart the new game, but I'm not sure about doing that. We could probably even switch to another mod. Someone suggested to me that there's a Songs of Fire and Ice mod, Game of Thrones mod in case you've not read the books, but I'm not too sure what to do, so I'd like your guys' opinions in the comments section below. I want to get this started again as soon as possible because I was enjoying playing the sodding game. This is what's annoying me the most about losing these save games. There is not one of these games that I wasn't really enjoying playing. Now, there's been times when, I wouldn't say I wasn't enjoying it, but like some of my older Let's Plays on the old channel, it got to a point where it just felt, well, look at the Japanese EU3 game. I know I'd lost, I just hadn't lost. And I was able to sort of like keep fighting against losing, but that was it. There was no forward movement, it was only stopping backwards movement, and it was more frustrating than fun. But all of the games that I've lost now, I was enjoying playing, which is annoying. So let me know in the comment section below what you think we should do to continue this on, because I do want to be doing another map. Even if it ends up being a completely new Mount and Blade Let's Play, I do want to be playing Mount and Blades, which means I do want to be doing a Let's Play of it. So yeah guys, let me know, and I'll try and get something sorted as soon as possible. Goodbye.